I'm Dean Schwartz. Love to make things. When you're making things in art, you always fail, but if you try to make the best you can, it comes on better.
That was probably Dean's first art try in a class down at Iowa State Teachers College. Everybody had to take it, and nobody liked it. But
I did.
Oh, so that started him in a whole new direction.
A long time ago, years and years, I made a kind of clay for make our things and a kill, and we have never changed that. Every year we've tried to make better and better things for each piece. Doesn't matter what the size of whether it's good or bad. You have to make something that no one's made before. I never take the same thing twice. I type like this one here. You see there's kinds of things like each other, but not two the same.
Gerhard Marx was the teacher at the Bauhaus in Weimar, Germany. And Marguerite Wildenheim was a student. Then Marguerite became the teacher, and Dean was a student. Then Dean became the teacher, and Thor Thorson was the student. And Thor, I'm sure, has many of these things are students' work.
Show the one in the middle.
Yeah, Judy Whedon from Alaska, no, actually Canada, did this picture of this house. And in every window there's a pot. And some are buried underneath, down in the dirt. But she did a pretty good rendition of the house. It says South Bear. And we've always had a nice flock of bats that live here. So she put a nice bat there too.
My teacher gave all of these pictures up there. And all these she gave to us. And I gave some of them just to Luther College to have. Well, we have 24 books of our things. You see boxes all around here that are full of our books. Here's one of the women, hundreds of years, who lived here. Well, I found pieces of broken things right here on this place. I try to learn from every piece in here.
You'll usually think of lightning as jagged, but I like these. They're just sort of like raindrops, and they've got a little blue on each edge, and then this blue top here. You told her already, Gunnar usually was throwing the big ones, and Lane throws the little ones, and kids work together.
But it wasn't always that way, but that's mostly right.
Gunnar went away to college, and he learned how to do another technique.